It's quite common to add a list of testimonials or client quotes to a website. They can really bring a website to life. So we make the whole process really simple. This is the first of 3 videos, and we're going to show you how to simply create a plugin of testimonials, adding your quotes one by one. In video 2, we show you how to configure and how to style your quotes, and then in video 3, we show you how to plug in these quotes into any page on your website. So without further ado, let's go to the control panel and open up the testimonials. We do this by clicking the content button and choosing testimonials. As you can see, so far we've created one set of testimonials and there are 4 quotes in there. Now we're going to create a new one, and as with most features, we start by clicking the big green button. We're then given a panel with 3 bits of information. Firstly, we need to enter a name. Now this is a unique name that will be used to identify this set of testimonials when we're plugging it into the website. The description is there for you. It's there for you to describe the testimonials you've added. Nobody will be able to view this information, so it's there for your own benefit really. And finally, you can choose one of the styles that we offer. There'll be a lot more information about styles, how to choose them, and how to view them in video 2. But for now, just choose one that you think would work. So we're going to add a simple name and a description. We're going to keep style 2 and then click the green button. Now instead of 1 row in the table we have 2, but obviously there are no quotes there yet. So we'll click the blue add view quotes button to start adding quotes. We're told straight away that there are no quotes yet, so we'll rectify this by clicking the add new quote button. And we're shown a panel of 5 options, 5 bits of information. Now only 2 of these are mandatory, which we can see if we click the submit button. It won't let us submit this unless we create quotes and a soundbite. Now, a quote is pretty straightforward. That's just some feedback that we've had from a client or a supplier, or from whomever you want to start raving about. Or the soundbite is a little bit more tricky to understand. Essentially, it's an eye-catching phrase or a part of the sentence from the quote that's used to draw your visitors towards reading the entire quote. Essentially, think of it like a flag or a marketing flag that would bring your clients towards clicking or opening up or reading the full quote that you've created. Let me show you what I mean. If we enter a basic quote, now of this quote, the part that we're really proud about is the level of service that's been claimed to be outstanding. So if we copy that and we place that in there, that's now the soundbite that we want to market ourselves under. Now in our case, we know the source of the quote and the date, which was 2007, and where it was, which was Penrith. So in our case we know that information, but if you don't know it, or if you don't want to share that information, then you can just leave it blank. We can then view this information in a table. And now we're going to go ahead and enter a few more. And now by the magic of video editing, we can see that we have 4 separate individual quotes. Pressing the back button takes us back to the summary table, and we can see that there are now 4 quotes for the testimonial set we created. In the second video, we're going to learn all about how to style and edit these quotes, and in the final video, you'll be able to see how to insert the plugins directly into a web page of your choice. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to see the last 2 videos in this series.